Okay, so lines of symmetry. So a line of symmetry is just a line that if you had to draw through a shape, the one side would be a mirror image of the other. So if you take a basic shape such as a rectangle, and I was asked to draw a line of symmetry. So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to look for a line that once I've drawn it, the one side is a mirror image of the other. And one line of symmetry, for example, would be straight through the center of this rectangle. Okay, so I can't do this 100% accurate right now, but you've got to imagine that it is so. So if this line was straight through the center of this rectangle, this side would be a mirror image of this side. So in other words, that would be a line of symmetry. Another line of symmetry for a rectangle would be example is if you draw a horizontal line straight through the center of this rectangle. So you can see that this side, this top side over here, let's just show you this in a little bit. This side over here is a mirror image of this side. Okay. So that's all we're looking for. We're basically just trying to find a line which once drawn is a mirror image, or basically the one side is a mirror image of the other. Another one could be, for example, let's say if we just have a square. So we can go a little bit down. Let's see if we can draw a perfect square. Okay, that could be a square. So for a square there could be several lines of symmetry. One line of symmetry could be straight through the center. Okay, so you can see that basically this side is a mirror image of this side. Another line of symmetry that we can draw is also straight through the center but with a vertical line. Okay, it's a bit skew, but I hope you're getting the idea. This side would then be a mirror image of this side, if I drew that perfectly, so I'd have to shift this over a little bit to the right. Another line of symmetry could be through the diagonals. Okay, so straight through there. Okay, maybe I should just try again. Okay, cool, so that would be a line of symmetry as well, because this side is a mirror image of this side. And lastly, one more line of symmetry would also be through this diagonal. So this side would be a mirror image of this side. So in total for a square, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, so you'd just have to look through a couple of examples, see if you can do them. You're just trying to find a line that once drawn, your one side is a mirror image of the other. Okay, that is all you are doing. Now for something called rotational symmetry. What rotational symmetry is basically you're going to rotate a shape from its starting position 360 degrees. And you are going to try and count how many times from 0 to 360 degrees your shape looks exactly the same as it did at the start. So we're going to head on over to Microsoft PowerPoint quickly. And you have got a rectangle. And I've represented the red dot. This red dot is not part of the shape, but I've just put a red dot here to show that this is the starting position. Okay, so we're going to rotate the shape from 0 to 360 degrees. We're going to count how many times it looks as it does in the beginning. So starting now. So we have, sorry, on 0. Okay, here we go. So we start rotating it. Okay, no, it doesn't look like it does in the beginning yet. Okay, it's 90 degrees. At 180 degrees, it looks like it does in the beginning. So that is 1. So it looks like it's so far 1 time. And we go, this is 180 degrees, now we're going to 270. Okay, still doesn't look like it. And we come back to the start, and that would be 2. So from 0 degrees to 360 degrees, the rectangle looks like it does in the beginning twice. Okay, so let me take another shape. Let's see if I can find one that we can use. What shapes do they have here? Isosceles triangle, diamond. oval across. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, let's make this no fill. Let's make that yellow. Okay, cool. So once again, I'm just going to put a little dot in the top right corner to show that that is the starting position of the shape. Okay. So we're going to do again. From 0 to 360 degrees, we're going to find how many times the shape looks like it does in the starting position. Okay, so here we go. Start rotating, start rotating. Ah, there's one already. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So from 0 to 360 degrees, this shape looks like it does in the beginning 4 times. So this shape has a rotational order of 4. If you get a shape which has a rotational order of 1, then you can say that that shape has no rotational symmetry. Okay, so no rotational symmetry if you only have a rotational order of 1, basically. Okay, cool. I hope that helped. Thanks.